All right, we got a sculpture garden. Walker Art Center here. We're gonna walk around in some kind of weird stuff. So anyways, we go in a second. She's done before. But anyways, so some weird stuff here. It's called Level Head. All right. Let's see. Okay. I think they light a lot of stuff up in the yeah, some stuff over here. Well, maybe I'll come back around over there, who knows. But this is Adam and Eve, like with their heads chopped off, I think. I think. I don't know. It's called Center-1, Adam and Eve. I have no idea. But it looks like someone's, you can tell the feet right here. You can kind of tell. Oh yeah, see, there's the face right here. See that? So, lying on their side, toes. Some kind of creature. All right. Bronze woman. So this is okay. Alright, interesting. It's just free to walk around in some of the Loyal Park, so round 3 here. I think the batteries are working, the sucker, the new one wouldn't work. I don't know what's going on with that, so I don't know why it wouldn't, but anyways, please do not touch. I have no idea. Just a chair, I guess. And this thing over here. So, I don't know. All right. So I'm going to get over to the cherry, or the apple, or the hell apple. They had to bring it over to New York to get the damn thing painted. So we're going to walk over here, check it out. But they showed it. They trucked it all the way out to New York. I think upstate or Buffalo somewhere to get the damn thing painted. So. Minneapolis, I think they call it. I don't know what they call it. Spoon and the cherry, huh? All right. That's a cherry then, I guess. Okay. See that? What do you think, huh? Birds are loving it. Yeah, they had to get the thing painted. Truck it out of here. Cherry in the spoon. Oh, it was an apple. I guess not. I'm wrong. That's the best one of them all. So we're gonna walk over here. Trying to get the battery to work in here. I don't know why it won't work. I don't know. You gotta charge it longer. I have no idea. But they both charged. So don't know. So anyway, so guarantee it, people will walk up in the daytime and do something with it. All kinds of weird sculptures over here. The sculpture garden. Over here now. Look at this stuff. It's kind of cool. just weeds and stuff. So you got, she's taking a picture in front of it, so I'll go over there when she's done. This kind of stuff's kind of cool. That behavior, huh? Look at that. They're taking a picture of the love. So we'll go over there momentarily when they're done. I don't know what they have the I think it's a chicken over there. So help us for the love. Love. There it is. I like that, huh? Very nice. These are kind of cool. Just trying to jump up there, which they don't want you to do. So, trying to go up there. Probably trying to get a picture up there. All kinds of weird stuff. A lot of work. Oop. Gotta watch out there. Almost fell down. Huh. Let's see what it is. It's called the, oh, please do not touch. You can't touch, so no touchy. He's trying to run up there. Not a smart move. So where the hell this thing is up here, I have no idea. Another strange thing here. So we'll go all the way around. The bell is here. You got no idea what this thing is. Just a metal thing, I think. No idea. Guess you can sit on here and swing if your heart's content. I don't know. It's called the maximum people on the swing do not climb the beams. Well, what if you want to? What's this thing called? Nicodea. Okay. All right. Not bad for free. I think I gotta pay for it. I guess I could build that in my backyard. Well, this thing is. I'm gonna walk over here. So, yeah, a little walk here. This could be like a wedding. Walk down here. I guess this is what art is all about, right? And I behold it. Like people collect art, steal art. And see the good movie Monument Men, recovering the stolen from the Holocaust, right? It's done with over here. So, Chris Martin, for whom it tolls, I get the bell, right? Probably. 18th day of August, you guys. A little hot, but where the hell that thing is. I have no idea. Another bell. It's pretty funny where all this stuff goes to. So these weird sculptures here. The ball field's over there, on the other side. So it looks like they light this place up so you can walk around at nighttime. So native flowers. And go over here. It's still a bizarre thing over there. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't know what the deal with this is. It's like an old silo. You can walk inside, I guess, huh? All right. Huh. Anyways, so round one looks like you can walk in here, look around here. Huh. Oh, all right. I see. All right. He's in here, in the Bible. All right. So, interesting to say the least. So, all right. On to the next video.